ngayon, Mama Viva.
Oo, ang
Diba? Ang ating another music.
Another
Diba?
music.
Another song na naman po na hinandog sa atin ng ating kasamahan sa industriya, sa
Oo.
social media.
Nakakahiya siyang pahiyain kasi talagang matagal niya na kaming ina-advisean that in one day gagawa kami ng novelty song para sa inyo.
Na magre-remarkable talaga sa ating mga kasansi dito po sa Kingdom of Baron. Siyempre sa globally na rin, di ba?
Yes, of course.
Kaya naman mga kasansi, handa na ba kayo mapakinggan ang ating novelty song na inihanda po sa atin ng ating kasamahang si Kuya Jeremy ng Bahrain Electric Scooter Team.
Yes, best kung tawagin.
Best na best talaga ito mga kasansi. Pakinggan po natin, panoorin natin ito.
Hey there, Bahrain, gotta show you won't resist. New episode dropping, it's coming in hot. From the heart of Bahrain to OFWs, living their dreams. Sam and Chris are on the mic, bringing fun Filipino vibes. It's Sam and Chris, Bahrain's first Filipino podcasters. See the global Filipino rise, streaming every Friday PM at 12. Gonna make your whole day bright. Talking about entertainment, fun will never ever stop. Informative insights hidden every perfect spot. Travels and food, yummy global tours, lifestyle tips and tricks you'll always want and more. It's Sam and Chris, Bahrain's first Filipino podcasters. See the global Filipino rise. We're streaming every Friday PM at 12. Gonna make your whole day bright. They're building a bridge across all the miles, bringing fun Filipino vibes right to your home, right to you. On YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, we're everywhere. We're here to show the world the global Filipino vibe. It's Sam and Chris, Bahrain's first Filipino podcasters. Come on. It's Sam and Chris, the podcast.
Yan, ako talaga naman. Ang ganda ng song, Mama Viva.
Oo,
Very novelty, ha?
Very novelty. Mga kasansi, I just wanted to tell to you that aside from our original soundtrack,
Ayan.
we have our novelty
Oo,
songs.
may novelty song po tayo na hinandog syempre ng best. Talaga ng mga, nandun yung mga wordings ng First Filipino Podcaster, Mama
Oo,
Viva, ha?
Filipino vibes, talagang
Yes,
nandoon.
nandoon. Talaga maraming salamat, best. Sir Jeremy, thank you so much for giving us chance na mabigyan tayo ng panibagong kanta.
Yes, and we're truly blessed, Sam,
Oo,
because
yung
of
mga
this.
ganitong tao,
No?
diba?
Imagine, we have the original soundtrack, which is We Was Launched on
Yes,
our anniversary, and now this,
No,
grabe.
So, grabe na yung pagmamahal ninyo mga kasansi. Siyempre pa sa mga taong nasa likod ng mga nagbibigay ng ganyang instances sa atin, tinitreasure natin yan, di ba?
Yes,
Ayan.
very true.
O, pakinggan nyo na yan ha, mga kasansi ha. I-soundtrack nyo na yan sa cellphone nyo, kung saan man.
Yes, while habang naglilinis kayo, kasi
Nagda-drive sa car.
maganda
diba?
yung beat niya. It's a fast song.
Fast
Although
song.
it's novelty song, pero magagamit nyo yan everyday.
Everyday.
While driving,
Oo.
di ba?
Baka pwede rin pang Zumba.
Why not, di ba? Oo, why not?
Ako, abangan nyo yan. Ako, maraming salamat. Siyempre, nabanggit natin yan before na ilo-launch talaga natin.
Yes,
That
ang
is the
ating
time
novelty
na.
song. So,
Ayan, thank you so much again, mga kasansi. Supportahan po natin ito.
thank you so much.